How to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in gallery on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in gallery on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp, and now click WhatsApp here, and now open storage, wait, not storage, open permissions, and here we'll find storage, just allow it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to WhatsApp, and now just click these 3 points here, and now click settings, and then click chats, and here we'll find it media visibility. Now just you will find it like that, just enable it and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.